Hey guys, thanks for checking this out today. I just wanted to share a little trick I use for making these sharp holes in sheet metal a little bit easier on wires or other things that you might want to pass through. So the trick is to get yourself some of this clear vinyl tubing, 1/4 inch, and to cut yourself a piece that's going to be just enough to make the circumference of that hole, and then we'll cut a slit in there that'll allow us to line that hole with that tubing. So as you can see, I've cut a little bit more than what I need, and the next step is to cut a slit into that tube. Now the trick here is to cut the slit in the outside of that curve so that when this piece of tubing kind of forces itself out, it'll hold itself in place naturally and you won't have any problems of it falling out. And so now I've cut that slit into the tubing, and I'm gonna just install it right on that there. It's a little tricky to get started, but once it starts to fall into place, it actually goes quite well. And the last bit will be just to trim that to size. Alright, so I finished cutting that to length, and the last step is just to finish getting the tubing onto the hole, the edge, and there you have it, a nice, safe, protected grommet to use for sheet metal when you're passing pipes or wires through. There you go, thanks for checking this out.